What is up? What is good? What is going on, my Highland people? Brother here, back at it again with another vlog. And yes, it's Christmas time up in here. Shout out to Missouri, New York, Nauru, Cardinal of Ponape, to our friends in the Philippines. You already know. If you enjoy our videos and find them to be of value to you, leave us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, because I'm for sure you don't want to miss out what's happening on the island of Kosrae. When you look at this yummy stuff that I found. Because when was the last time you tried the giant clam meat product of Kosrae? Right here. You first heard it on air on Kosrae.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today's Saturday. I'm right here on the street to another vlog.
Merry Christmas once again, folks. But here, right here, this would be one of those random videos that I'm just going about my days, taking you with me on my runs. Alright, sit back. Hi guys, let's go. Mail time.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Kasandalan Peace. Hi guys. Hi guys. Biggie, biggie, biggie.
Ngayon si Bang Dong.
That's most of it for my Saturday here on Kosrae, and thank you once again for joining me on that ride. It was a pretty quick ride. Like I said, these are random runs. Every once in a while, I'm gonna come in and post random runs with some mail time. But yes, this upcoming week is an eventful one. Make sure you subscribe because we're gonna have our Christmas, all island Christmas this coming Saturday. You better not miss that one. All right, thank you once again, and mahalo.
Si perdu com você,